Welcome to your TekMatix account. Here is to set up your very basic business settings once you first log into your account. Now, please make sure that you have gone to the TekMatix website and have locked in your 60-minute onboarding call. In your onboarding call, you're going to have your account set up, your integrations connected, your PayPal or Stripe accounts connected, your emails and calendars all connected for you. This will absolutely simplify the process of you getting your account set up. So do make sure that you have gone to the support page to book that meeting. Simply go to the TekMatix website, click on support, and you will see that there is the option to book a call with our Teksperts. The other option is to click on the book a call option right here, and you can go in and book your free 60-minute onboarding call. Your page may look a little different. We're always updating our pages, but there will be an option for you to book a free 60-minute onboarding call. That's really important. So with that out of the way, there are a few things that you might like to get started on by yourself. Now, you're going to learn all about this dashboard, but basically the first thing you want to do is go into your settings. At the very bottom of your menu is the settings option. Your business profile is your overall business information. So you want to add a logo right here that will update your dashboard with your logo. It's only going to be the back end that you see. Your business name also goes in here. Your email address, phone numbers, your website can all be filled in. You also want to pop in your address. Now, this information is important. You will have this information show up on the footer of all of your emails that are mailed out. This is a GDPR, anti-spam law, compliance registration requirement. So make sure that you haven't got a home address showing here unless you're happy for people receiving your emails to see that. I'd recommend you put the business address or you get yourself a PO box address for your own protection and privacy. But this is important because in order for you to send out emails compliantly, your address does have to show on your footers, and the templates that we've created for you will automatically pull over your business address to assist you with your compliance. The other thing that's important here is your time zone, because this is what will default set your time zones on your calendars if people are booking calls with you, and also the times of day that your email campaigns will go out. You can choose a language for your platform, and also as you carry on down through the sheet, it is all very sort of common sense information where you can basic info about your business. And I won't go too much into detail about some of the extra features in here, because that is stuff that your Tekspert can go through with you in your onboarding call. But basically all you want to do is pop in your basic information up until you get to this business info here. Once you have done that, make sure you press save on everything. The next thing you want to do is add yourself as an employee. This is important because even though you own the account, you're still not yet a contact in your system, and you need to be a contact in your own system in order to assign yourself tasks and to assign yourself notifications inside the system and so much more later. So you're going to press add an employee, and first of all, add yourself. You might want to upload a picture of yourself, just your basic contact details and information. Don't worry about calendars or anything just yet. Your Tekspert will help you with this in your onboarding call. You may also like to add a email signature that will go out on the end of any personal emails that you start sending out. The next important thing here is permissions. Note to self, turn off your phone when you're making videos. So you've got here your permissions. Now, this is important because you need to make sure that for yourself, you've got all of your permissions turned on. This will make sure that you can access all of the features inside your system. Now, just FYI, you may not be able to do this yet if you have not yet had your 15-minute quick wins call. For security and safety, we don't allow you to add contacts until you've had that 15-minute quick win call. This is to stop spammers getting into our system and creating accounts and then mass spamming and therefore affecting everyone's email deliverability. So if you cannot get to this stage of actually adding any employees, you do need to either book your 15-minute quick wins call or your onboarding call. That's for us to verify that you are a real person, and it's to get your emails turned on and get you connected into our email server, where we'll set up all of your email deliverability settings for you as well. So if you can't do this, that's why you do need to book your Tekspert call. However, if you do have this feature and function available, make sure that you personally have full settings turned on. Now, the rest, again, I will leave for when you have your onboarding call, but you can see that once you go through here, this is where you set your overall availability that will impact the availability that shows in your calendars. So you may, for instance, add your meeting location. If you have a Zoom account, your meeting location will be your personal Zoom ID. And I'll just grab a page to show you how to do that. To get your unique Zoom ID that will then connect all of your calendar appointments to your own Zoom account, simply log into your Zoom account from desktop, so zoom.us, log into your Zoom account. On your main left-hand menu, find User Management and click on Users. You're then going to find yourself, click on yourself, scroll all the way down until you find your personal meeting ID. You can also personalize this. You'll see that I've managed to personalize mine. So I've just added my name on the end. Otherwise, you've got your personal Zoom link there. So this is your private personal Zoom link that will connect to your calendar for any appointments that you create in the future. So basically inside your employee file here, your employee setting, inside your user availability, choose the custom location and you would paste, oh, that's not showing there, you would paste your Zoom, your unique Zoom link in there. And that just means anytime someone books an appointment with you, it will connect to your Zoom account and give them your Zoom link. You can also choose the days, times, weeks that you are available, your working hours, and this will later on impact your availability when you go to create appointments that people can book with you in the calendars. So you would of course repeat that process for all of your staff. If you have any staff, employees, virtual assistants working with you, add all of them here and just obviously edit their permissions accordingly. If there's only some things that you want them to see, you would just turn off or on their viewing permissions on those different features, and they will only be able to see what you have set to blue. Okay, so if it's blue, it means it's on and they can see it. So if you had someone just managing your social media, you'd have everything gray and you'd only have the social media planner on. So that's how you can control what people can and can't do inside your account. So from there, the next thing you might like to do just before you get on your call with your Tekspert is to connect your other integrations. So over here, again, your Tekspert can do this for you on your free onboarding call, but just to make you aware, you've got your Stripe account here you may like to connect. All you would do is press continue. It will then give you the option to log into your Stripe account and it will connect your Stripe. You've also got NMI, Authorize.net and PayPal as payment options here as well. So just go through and follow the instructions. You'll see here you've got your instruction links for you to follow. However, if this is just too scary for you, don't panic. That's what your free onboarding call is for, to get all of this working for you. Now, the other thing you might like to get set up right away is your social media scheduler and all of your social media connections. So to do that, simply go over to marketing and emails, and you have your social planner up here. To connect your social media accounts, click on this button right here. And you'll see here I've got one account connected. This is where you can add your different accounts. Click on Add Account. And then simply to add and connect each of your social media accounts, you just click on the profile you want to connect. It will ask you to log in, add in your password, and it will then connect those particular social media accounts to your TekMatix account. The reason why you want to do this is not only so you can do social media scheduling, this will auto post on your behalf, also because Facebook messages and Instagram messages, this relates to business only, will also create contacts inside your system and record all of the communication inside your client records if you have them connected. So you may like to give this a shot yourself. If for any reason you're struggling, not sure, or would rather just have someone sit with you do it again, please book your 60-minute onboarding call and the Teksperts will help you get all of that connected. So that's all we're going to go through in this initial stage. Get your call booked so that they can help you do that. And there'll be some more tips and emails coming your way. Hope that helps.